Illuminating Perspectives, Mastering Light and Color Theory in 3D Environments. Introduction to Light and Color. Light and color are fundamental elements in 3D environments, influencing mood and perception. Understanding how to manipulate these elements can elevate your work, creating immersive experience. This presentation will explore essential theories and practical applications to help you master these concepts effectively. The role of light in 3D. Lighting shapes the visual narrative of a scene. Different types of lights such as ambient, directional, and point lights create various effects. Mastering these can enhance realism and guide the viewer's focus, making light a powerful storytelling tool in your 3D environments. Color theory is crucial for creating visually appealing 3D spaces. Concepts like hue, saturation, and contrast play vital roles in design. By applying color harmonies and understanding psychological impacts, you can evoke specific emotions and response from your audience. Conclusion: Mastering light and color. In conclusion, mastering light and color theory is essential for creating and compelling 3D environments. By understanding their interactions and effects, you can significantly enhance the aesthetic and emotional impact of your projects. Embrace these principles to elevate your artistic vision, enhancing visual realism. Sharing models for textures and shadows. Introduction to visual realism. In today's digital landscape, visual realism is crucial for creating immersive experiences. This presentation will explore how textures and shadows enhance realism in 3D models. We will share effective techniques and best practices to improve your designs and captivate your audience. The importance of textures. Textures play a vital role in achieving realistic visuals. They provide the necessary detail and depth to surfaces, making them appear more lifelike. Understanding how to create and apply high quality textures can significantly elevate your work, adding richness and complexity to your models. Shadows and their impact. Shadows are essential for establishing depth and dimension in any scene. They help define shapes and create a sense of space. By mastering shadow techniques and understanding their interaction with light, you can enhance the overall realism of your visual projects. Conclusion and best practices. In this conclusion, combining textures and shadows is key to achieving enhanced visual realism. By implementing the techniques discussed, you can create more engaging and lifelike models. Remember to continually experiment and refine your skills to stay ahead in the evolving world of digital design possibilities. Mastering lighting techniques for stunning visuals. Introduction to lighting techniques. Welcome to Illuminating Possibilities. In this presentation, we will explore various lighting techniques that can transform your visuals. Understanding how to manipulate light will enhance your creativity and allow you to produce stunning image that capture attention. Natural light mastery. Utilizing a natural light can create breathtaking visuals. The key is to understanding the golden hour and how to position your subject to take advantage of the soft, diffuse light. Experimenting with shadows can add depth and dimension to your photographs. Artificial lighting techniques. Artificial lighting opens up endless possibilities for creativity. Using soft boxes or LED lights can help you control shadows and highlights. Experimenting with color gels can also add a unique touch to your visuals, creating mood and atmosphere. Conclusion: The power of light. Mastering lighting techniques is essential for any visual artist. By understanding both natural and artificial light, you can create compelling images that tell a story. Remember, the right light can elevate your work from ordinary to extraordinary.